Welcome to another episode of I'm Still Learning to Use This Airbrush Machine. I grabbed some Maron liquid makeups in blue and white and mixed them with the Maron mixing liquid for my airbrush machine and started applying that to my face and over my prosthetics. I brought the paint really far back on my hairline because the hair that I created for this character has a pretty intense widow's peak. And then I just brought it down my neck and put it in my ear holes and kept bringing it down and covering everything that was going to be exposed. Oh, the old twisted bra strap. And then I gave everything a once over just to make sure that I had covered all the areas I needed to. It took me a while to get comfortable with the color that I liked, and I gave some brightness towards the center of my face. And then I wanted to start contouring, so I mixed some black liquid and white liquid makeup to create a gray effect and started going over all the areas that I wanted to contour. And I know, it's not perfect, but it's something. I thought giving myself some neck veins would be nice because, I'm so monstrously jacked. And an Adam's apple. I contoured under my jawline to give it that square masculine shape. I wasn't feeling quite monstrous enough at this point, so I thought, let me go back and add a little more contour, make it a little more scary. And then came time for the lips. The true character's lips are a really dark blue indigo color, but I decided that black was on theme for me and my version of Ryuk. I started with the Athena palette, but I quickly moved to the Maron Paradise AQ palette. It was much easier to work with. To add a more cartoonish effect, I wanted to go in with more solid black lines, so I used the eyes that I made as a guide and just made solid lines to pretty much enhance the contours that I had already made. I used that same black on my lips on the rest of my face from the Paradise Makeup AQ palette. If you're interested in seeing all the other components that went into making this look, I will link all those videos down below for you to check out. By the way, I totally forgot to paint in the other side of that widow's peak. And that pretty much sums up all the painting that I had to do on this guy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.